Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a fist. Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a fist fight with. What? What are you?
Me, I'm at the battleground already.
How are you already there? Okay, so I guess we're already starting. 3, 2, 2, 1, go.
Guys!
Ah! The power of Just Toasty, it's too much. But the power of parkour is better.
Shrek.
Ow! Owie! That's me. That's not very nice.
I totally didn't have the 20.
Not
I totally
very
didn't
nice.
already have the 20%.
Dumb video. Ah! Yeet.
Is it though?
Plop.
Is it gonna be a bad video if it's funny?
Yeah. No.
Bruh.
We are posting this no matter what.
Nether.
Save me. I like literally hugged the tree. Whoa, wait, were you behind me?
Yeah. Oh! Oh wait, I'm actually getting kind of low. Hold on.
Guys.
Guys.
The second I start recording, I lose.
Guys. I said guys.
No,
Ow.
you didn't.
Guys.
I have plus 45 max. I have plus 45 damage. How are you not dying?
Probably because you've landed in the lava way more than me. I haven't touched the lava once yet.
Oh yeah.
That probably won't be for long though.
Yeah.
Considering that we're fighting right.
Did I win?
Run it back, bro.
Okay. Should we do best out of 3? Best out of 3?
Yeah.
Okay, so who's on one?
Oh my god, come on.
Joked! Ah! I mean joked! Ah!
Bro, oh yeah, how low are you?
Like not that low.
The last game depends. After this game, there's one more game, and the last game depends on who's gonna get punched into the River Nile.
Didn't you?
Why am I putting geography? I lost the last round. Wait, no.
No, I won the last round.
No, bro, please! Please, Speed, I need this!
Please, Speed, I need this.
I lost when we recorded, but we didn't record this.
Please, Speed, I need this!
Please, Speed, I need this.
If I win this, I'm gonna leak your address.
Please, Speed, I need this!
Please, Speed, I need this.
I need this! Speed, I need this!
Please, Speed, I need this.
I'm really low! I'm really low, bro.
Wait, you can turn this video into a short as well, like part of it into a short.
Oh yeah, because this is like really short. Why don't I just turn the entire video into a short?
I feel like it'll be a bit too long for a short. Oh god, I'm getting a little bit low. Not really.
With the power of editing, you can make anything short! Bro, what are you doing?
Actually, I'm gonna lose.
I genuinely might lose.
No, you won't. This is my video. Of course I'm gonna lose.
Yeah, this is your video. Oh my god.
Who's gonna win this?
How low are you? Are you quite low or are you not?
I've got like 10 HP.
Oh, well, I've got like 20, I think, so.
Please, Speed, I need this.
Please, Speed, I need this.
I need this. Please, please, Speed, I need this.
Please, Speed, I need this.
Accidentally stepped on a landmine and gave you a free wish.
Okay, next round.
Are you gonna get hate because you're British?
If I'm gonna get hate that I'm British, then you're definitely gonna get hate as well because you're like a lot more British. You say mate.
I'm like British.
Yeah, you say
I'm
mate.
for it.
You say mate a lot.
I do
Mate.
say mate a lot.
I overshot it a bit. Hold on, I need to go eat some red. The round hasn't started.
I want to think of it.
Did you just die?
Did you know that the round didn't start yet? I hate this game.
Did I know that what?
The round didn't start yet.
I know.
You want to know when the round is going to start?
Now.
No, 51 go. Yes, that means!
What is that? I got that cheese. Guys. With the fact that every time we punch each other,
Stinky!
it does a fire explosion. Like it looks way more anime like.
Hopefully that got some good damage.
Please. AZF, I need this.
I'm not called AZF, I'm called SSS Bean!
Please.
We both got launched all the way over
And I'm
here.
SSS Chip.
I think we... Oh, hello.
I'm the Super Skaters.
Nuh-uh! The Sigma Skaters.
Sigma Super Skaters.
Super Sigma Skaters. It's a lava attack!
I just did that thing that I do in Fortnite.
When I'm playing Floor's Lava Mode.
I just go like, boy. Are you alive or are you dead?
Maybe.
Maybe it's not an answer.
What do you mean? Maybe it's an answer! Oh, I'm a Discord mod. Oh, my Discord
The
mod.
whole world is going to be against you.
I am under the water. Please help me. Too much raining in here.
Hello, how are you? I am under the water. Please help me. Here too much raining.
Kinjara. Bing, 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 bing. Kinjara. Where did Brooke come
Yeah,
from?
you're not locking me into the dam this time.
Lock in.
I am locked in.
Lock in. You sure? 'Cause-
Oh,
What do you mean you're locked in? You look like you're locked out. I think you broke character a bit. You fight good. Just kidding.
Bro, no, that's crazy. And you
Stinky.
think I fight good?
Get stinky.
Get stinky. Oh yeah, where'd you go?
Eh.
Ah. How am I not touched the lava? I literally landed in the lava.
You're about to die.
You're not winners, you.
Bear. And that's not even my
This
name.
is a tiebreaker. This is literally a tiebreaker.
Nuh-uh.
Is that a 2?
my headset battery's very low. We might need to do the thing.
Yeah. Go. Come on.
No, please.
Guys. We both died. That always happens. Bye, guys.